NASA is going back to the moon, but this time, the mission is much bigger than planting a flag. This is the Artemis Program, humanity's boldest journey in half a century. And today, we're breaking down exactly how NASA plans to make it happen. The Artemis Program isn't just a return to the moon, it's a complete redesign of how humans explore space. The goal is simple: land astronauts on the lunar surface, build a long-term presence, and prepare for the journey to Mars. But making that dream real is anything but simple. To land humans on the moon again, NASA has to build technology we've never used before. A spacecraft that can survive deep space, a lander that can safely touch down on the lunar surface, and a system that can bring astronauts home safely. Funding is another challenge. Missions this large require massive resources and long-term commitment. And then there's international collaboration. Artemis is a global partnership, nations working together, sharing hardware, science, and risk. At the core of Artemis is the Space Launch System, SLS, the most powerful rocket ever built for humans. Its job is to push astronauts farther than any rocket has in 50 years. Then comes Orion, NASA's deep space spacecraft. With advanced life support, navigation, and radiation protection, it's designed for missions far beyond Earth. And for the landing itself, NASA will use a next-generation lunar lander capable of carrying astronauts to the moon's south pole. Orbiting the moon will be the Lunar Gateway, a small, powerful space station that acts as a home base for future missions. Gateway will support science, long-duration missions, and eventually, human exploration deeper into the solar system. But why go back to the moon? Because Artemis isn't just about exploration. It's about preparation. Astronauts will collect samples, study lunar resources, and test technologies needed for long-term survival on other worlds. Everything learned on the moon will directly help us one day land humans on Mars. The Artemis missions are the foundation for something even bigger. A future where humans don't just visit worlds, but live on them. From power systems to landing technology, everything built for Artemis will shape the future of Mars exploration. The Artemis program is redefining what's possible for humanity. It's bold, ambitious, and the first step toward becoming a multiplanetary species. So, what do you think about NASA's return to the moon? Let me know in the comments, and if you love space exploration, check out the rest of my videos. Thanks for watching. And stay curious.